This is the Horizon 60 2021. Transom of the 2021.
Just doing some work on the stove.
Oh, all good.
The same on the master.
Okay. And how many hours are on this one?
So the engines, you're at about 1750.
Okay.
And then there's actually 2 gens on this boat.
Okay.
The main is at about 2500, and the other one's just, it's got like 400 hours. The main 800's top end, yeah, 23, 24.
Okay.
Cruising at 20 hours.
Cruising at 20, perfect.
And this does have the Victron package, so it's got 1200 amp hours of Victron house batteries.
Okay. Is that a lithium bank?
Yeah, lithium phosphate.
Okay.
That's what was in. It was in the inlet. How'd you get the divers? Yeah.
Single berth here. Access to a technical area, and then this has the lithium ion house bank back here. Is this washer dryer here as well?
Yep.
Okay.
Units.
Same as before.
I think those are Miele.
Okay.
Miele fridge and double freezer. And then this is where you would space your power management screen, the Victron screen.
Okay.
So see, we're pulling shore in right now, external control, batteries at 100%. I could dial this to 0. We stop pulling shore and we just seamlessly go into inverting.
Okay.
So now we're running through the house batteries.
Got it. And does it have solar battery or solar panels as well?
This does.
It does.
But we're definitely getting more.
Okay.
Usually you'll have enough solar to just take care of the DC load.
Okay. Can it run the air conditioning on the?
Yeah, we just were.
Oh, really?
I'll show
Okay.
you. So this is your shore power limiter, or your multiplex control.
Okay.
So if I just put that all the way to 0, what I'm basically telling it is to stop pulling from the shore power. So you see now we're disconnected from shore and generator, and we're inverting. Off
We're
the
inverting even as much for the
AC,
air
everything
conditioner.
that's running on the boat. We didn't lose a single thing. Fridges, freezers, air conditioning, lights.
Cool.
Now these Dometic units, they draw a lot more than the thermodynamic units that we put on the new builds.
Okay.
So with this setup, you know, with like your cabin running at night,
Yeah.
you could probably get 6 hours. You can get through the night.
Okay.
With the thermodynamic unit, we're seeing 18 hours a day without the generator, and that's
Wow.
running the whole boat.
Okay. Cool. So basically silent.
Our silent living package is what we call it.
Got it. Okay.
Which is the Victron paired with the thermodynamic air conditioning.
Got it. Okay.
This has half of that. This has the Victron package, but the older Dometic ACs.
Okay. And when did they start doing the newer
I think
ACs?
the first thermodynamic boat was early 2023.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Great. We'll take a look at the Sky Lounge if it's all right. Thank you. Okay. And this has a tender.
I think this is an AB, I want to say this is the VST 13 or 14.
Okay.
So probably 13 or 14 foot 10.
Okay. 70 Yamaha.
So much different than Creola's flybridge.
Sure.
Fully enclosed in glass. You can, you know, some of the owners that have done the Sky Lounge do the nicer finishing like you see downstairs.
Okay.
But they just, when they first built it, they thought, we'll just stick with the
Okay.
gel coat finish.
And I guess a big thing here is like the day head, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
Probably the biggest addition.
Right. But so you know
And then
this one's
3 Garmin screens.
okay. The other one had 2. Is that correct?
Yeah. Bow and stern thruster on this boat, and then you also have the dockmate remote there.
Okay. Both of them have dockmate, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Of course.
Dab it there, and then I'm just gonna walk around the front of this one. Okay.
Little bar area,
Yeah.
fridge and ice maker.
Okay.
And then
I like the Garmin there as well.
Yeah, this gentleman's also a two-boat owner now. He just bought our 74.
Okay. And this one has the platform on it.
Yeah, high-low platform.
Okay.
You could carry, it's like 1,000-pound capacity.
Okay.
We don't really have anybody carry Sea-Doos or anything like that on the back.
Okay. But you could
but
put
it's
a
nice.
jet ski or something,
Yeah,
or
you could put
use it as a
you could
beach.
Put a Sea-Doo Spark.
Okay.
But it'll go to about like knee height in the water.
Okay.
So it's really nice if you're at anchor.
Perfect. Okay, here's the foredeck. Nice hull-to-hull access. It's another beautiful Horizon 60. If you guys are in the market for Horizon 60, hit me up, yachtspecsdirect.com. Working with the Power-Catamaran company here in Fort Lauderdale. A few beautiful brokerage options currently available. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.